Good evening, gentlemen, and welcome to the AnonyNews behind the scenes color key tutorial. If you'd like to join a virtual studio as news anchor or pimp your own videos, you need proper footage, and we'll explain you how you can do that at home with inexpensive materials. First, what do you need? You need a background to color key on. This background can be blue or green. We recommend green cloth. You can buy it everywhere and it is cheap. When you get the green cloth, look for non-reflective and true green cloth. True green or true blue give you the best results when recording blue screen or green screen footage. These colors are the farthest away from the colors of the human skin. You also need proper lighting. You need at least 2 lights to have a basic lighting of your green screen. Inexpensive work lights will do fine. We recommend 4 or more lights, one hard light on each side and a soft one from the front to light your subject and another soft light to backlight the screen. Important, use a decent camera. Don't ever use a webcam. Use a decent camera that supports 720p, 25 or 30 frames per second HD footage. The better the image, the better the result, and these cameras aren't very expensive. But let's go and have a look at our setup. This is our screen. We pinned it on the wall to keep it smooth. As you can see, there are no wrinkles in it that could produce any additional shadow. Here you can see one of our lights. It's a perfectly normal work light you can buy at your hardware store. It isn't expensive and it does a very good job. We set up our work lights on the left and on the right in a wide angle. If you have an additional soft light from the front and from the back, the lighting is better. Keep the screen well and evenly lit. That is important. You can only use proper color keying when the whole background is the same color on every spot. Okay, here's a subject. Don't stand too close to the screen, that can cause shadows. These are hard to impossible to edit out. Avoid shadows at all costs. If you mark your standpoint on the ground, it makes things easier. And fix the camera right in the middle between the work lights, with a frontal look directly at the green screen. Watch out for reflections on the mask. They can disturb the image later when you're editing it. And one word on acting. When you're acting for the news, don't move too much. It is distracting the viewers if your head is wobbling around. And try not to move out of the picture. Here's an example of how the footage should look after you've shot it. If you like, send us your green screen footage and you'll be hosting the next AnonyNews. In the next video, we will explain how color keying works with Adobe After Effects. Thank you.